welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Alex and Garrett. Where today we go Mexican because we're making tortillas.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, first you want to get a mixing bowl. Show them the bowl. Show them the inside.
We got the bowl.
They got to see the okay. Then you're gonna want to put 2 cups of flour in it.
What's the measure? Gosh dang it. We only got a 1/3 measure from Palestine. That's the biggest one we have.
So we got to do it 6 times, is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now with flour, do not compact it or you'll get way too much. Just like lightly.
I thought that's what you were supposed to
You do not compact it.
do. Okay. So
1.
We have to do 6 of these since they're 1/3, right?
Yeah, 6.
Okay. Two.
That's 2. Flour, and more flour. Yeah, that's real professional. That's 1 cup worth. Need a lot of flour. That's 4. And number 5. Yeah. And 1 more. Yo, Garrett, say something. This video is getting boring.
Okay. So, yeah, just 1 more. 1 more.
Yeah.
There's a divot right there. See, look, just did it. Fill it.
And that's enough flour. That's 2 cups worth.
Now we need 1 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon. Open the salt container. Show the other salt container.
One.
Wait,
That's
was it
that's
2?
just one. It's just one. It's just one. It's just one.
Oh, okay. Then why'd you say 1?
Okay.
How much? What's the rest?
1 teaspoon.
Teaspoon?
Yeah, this is my
So,
grandma's recipe, so she can make it good. Like, it's a good recipe. We just might suck. So.
Garrett, where's the lid? Where's the lid? Let me see.
So yeah.
With baking powder, you really need to top it off, because if you don't, it'll be jacked up.
We swear this is a good recipe. If it just looks bad, it's because we suck. Okay, now we need something to mix it with. Go get a mixing utensil, Alex.
Yes, mixing utensil. Cameraman, don't follow me. Mini mixer.
Ooh, tiny whisk. Okay, we're gonna tiny whisk it. Oh, can I try? Just for a little bit?
Yeah, just like.
Yeah,
It's really fun to do that.
We're gonna tiny whisk it all together. I'm just gonna keep your turn. Tiny whisk it all together.
Yeah.
Yeah, real nice.
I think it's done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Should
so
look like this when it's done.
now we're gonna need. This is where we get messy. Alex.
Wait, don't we need to flour up the thingy?
Yeah.
Okay, set this off to the side.
We're gonna wanna.
No. Just pure flour or not?
Yeah. Oh, whoops! I grabbed it from the wrong pot. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna wanna flour our work table.
Take it.
See, like.
That's too much. Gosh,
There's too much. Yeah, you got to just pick it up.
Yeah,
Gonna flour workspace or wherever you're like making it from. Just like, yeah.
Nice and floury on our clean, sanitary cutting board.
Okay. Okay. So Now we're gonna put some shortening on our hands, or just something to.
Wait, don't we need to add water?
Yeah, but we're gonna do this first.
No. If we get our hands all greasy, then how are we gonna hold the measuring cup?
That's true. We need 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup.
Well, 1 cup is good enough.
No, it has to be. Oh yeah. Just fill it up to 3/4. So. Make it lukewarm water. Lukewarm water. 3/4 cup lukewarm. Is it lukewarm?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna slowly. Don't pour it all
yeah,
at
I
once.
know.
Slowly pour it and mix it.
Put a hole in the middle.
No, just slowly pour it and we're gonna mix it. Okay. So slowly pour it. Just
Wait, where's the tiny whisk?
pour a little. No,
Tiny whisk
This is
me.
with our hands.
Oh.
Just pour a little bit. Pour a little bit, and we're gonna start. Keep pouring. Keep pouring. Just slowly pour it. Just keep pouring. Keep pouring till it's kind of like a shaggy dough. Now we're gonna wanna keep just handing it. Okay, come on, help.
I don't want to touch it. Let me touch it. Oh, whoa, this feels weird.
Okay, keep like.
Oh, shoot, I didn't put on any shortening.
Yeah, go put some on. So.
I can't because my hands are all doughy. So I'm going to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna keep like, just
this is nasty.
keep mixing it and stuff till it's like a dough. We're gonna get our stuff from the pot and start. Why is it sticking pretty bad? Probably should have put it different, kind of shortening. I don't think this stuff is working. It's kind of like, yeah, it's like not working that well. Yeah, it's like.
Did you hear that?
Okay, so.
Garrett, let me see it. Give me a big old blob of dough.
Nope. So here, let me just.
Look at that, Garrett. What? Amazing. If you put on the right amount. Oh, shoot, I dropped some.
Here, let me take this off.
This big, beautiful ball of dough.
Okay, can you like?
I'm gonna need it.
Need something to screw this off. You know what? I'll just go.
Just wash off your hands.
Okay, so I was just doing that. I'm gonna wash my hands because I did it wrong.
Pick up some of the leftover flour from the bottom and mix that in.
Keep doing it.
Keep on mixing it up. This is fun. Mix it, fold it.
Keep doing it. Not good enough. I just did.
Yo, Garrett, you want a lot. Could you put some on the back of my hands? Yeah, thanks. That's real nice.
I'm gonna put it on a lot because I don't want to. Okay, here, hand me the dough. Hand me the dough. Okay.
Holy crap.
We're just gonna keep doing this.
Now do we slap it onto the thing? I think it's mixed pretty well.
Okay, now we're gonna knead this for about 5 minutes. So we'll see you in 5 minutes.
Cut the video.
Cut it. Huh? We'll
So we've been kneading it for about 5 minutes. Looking pretty nice.
15.
Should look like that. It's got a nice ball of dough.
So now we're gonna break it off into 2-inch balls.
So yeah, like little spheres, like about 2 inches. I'm gonna rip off a nice chunk. Roll it up. I need some more. This is about good. That's a nice size. Real quick, I'm gonna start the stove. I'm gonna set it at about medium.
Medium low.
Maybe,
Medium
medium low. On a cast iron. I'm gonna fix this. Very gently. This is like a baby. Very carefully. Ooh, I love how flowery it is. It feels so cool.
Here, add more if I don't. It's not good enough.
Flower it up. Yeah. Garrett, that one's perfect. You don't need to fix it.
But that one.
This one's probably a little too big, actually.
It's fine.
But whatever.
Okay. So.
Let's put this one in half.
Oh my god. Is that one good?
Yeah, that's good. This one's a little small. Give me some more. Let's give me some more. Pull. Thank you. There we go.
Okay.
So that's about 5 tortillas worth because we ate some of the dough.
The cameraman ate a bunch. I'll eat the rest of this. Actually, cameraman, do you want some?
So yeah.
No, roll it. Here, can I try? Try it.
Garrett, it's sticking. I think we should put some shortening on it. It's sticking real bad.
I don't know if that's gonna work, but actually,
Flour it up. Okay.
we're gonna use this.
No more flour. That's way too much flour. Holy crap.
That feels pretty good.
Holy crap, that sprayed on my
So
arm.
we're gonna roll this out. Sorry if it's not perfectly circle, because we're bad. And we probably
Dang it, it's still sticking.
we would have made a lot more. You're supposed to do both sides. We would have made a lot more. Just we ate a lot of dough because it's really good. So yeah. Yeah, just having troubles with that, buddy.
I actually learned how to roll out pizza dough, so I'm gonna follow exactly what that does. No more flour. No more flour.
Can I try? This is grandma's recipe, by the way. So, I like that.
Shoot. Man, this is one dang ugly looking tortilla.
Just give it to me, bro.
No, you can do the next one.
Fine.
I want to do this one because I've never made tortillas before.
Oh, I have all the time. My grandma. This is my grandma's recipe. See, yeah, that's better. That's better. Make it flatter. Yeah, we can't make them circular. My grandma can really good. She's really.
Take store-bought tortillas out of the bag, slap it on a griddle, and say it's homemade. Bro, that's actually a really good idea. I'm gonna fold that in.
Okay. Keep rolling it out till it's like super flat. Not super flat. We want it to be like. No.
It's a little blobby over here. This looks like an amoeba shape.
A what?
An amoeba shape.
It's an amoeba.
Bro, kind of like germ stuff.
Oh.
Oh, tiny whisk. Garrett, save him.
No, Tiny Whisk, my best friend. Okay, so this is my grandma's recipe. Yeah. Okay, go put it on the griddle. Maybe turn it up a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna get this one.
This tortilla's.
I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna start rolling out. This is not my first time, by the way. So my family could probably do this a lot better than I can. So don't judge. I just get cooking. This is a tortilla roller. It's my grandpa's. We're just using this because it's really good. Easy for tortillas. You could use a rolling pin too. I'm just gonna use this.
Get a spatula to flip it when it's ready. Use this one.
Alex has rolled out pizza dough, so he kind of knows what he's doing a little bit more than me.
Yeah, this is just pizza dough, but
No, not really.
yeah,
Tastes
for
nice.
tortillas.
Did you even taste the dough, Alex, or was it mostly just me and Ethan? Why?
It was just you and cameraman.
Oh, whoops. I need to say his name. I don't care.
I will pop it out. Coming along real nice. I've kind of ruined it. So,
You have? What did you do? Sorry if these look horrible. They're really not. The recipe's trustworthy. I just suck. Like, really bad. We suck. Not me. We suck. I suck a little bit more than Alex, but we both suck.
I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna, like, pick this up.
So about a medium.
Move it a little bit because it's kind of getting to the edge of the board. We don't want that. I mean, we could like stretch this out like pizza dough. That's weird. You know how like they pick it
Okay,
up.
it's cooking. It's like me. Dang good looking tortilla bash when we're done. Then we can eat them without stuff on it. Raw tortillas for days.
Yeah, normally you'd add stuff to these, but
We're gonna eat a raw tortilla.
we're too lazy, so you know.
Okay. Yeah. Crispy chicken. Ow. Touch the pan a little bit. This is actually the best looking one we've done so far.
Let me see that. Very
Okay, now
nice.
go.